So doing an update video to the what's in the cart. So new box, new cart. So we'll start here. Gotta have your Seahawks flag. Gotta have your auto dim mask. You gotta have a face shield. You gotta have your 100-watt LED underhood light. You gotta have your full jack. You gotta have your storage unit with the orange Fanta and Ritz crackers. Multiple battery chargers, which I need to unplug. Mighty Vac, gotta have that. Alright, so starting this drawer. This is the random shit drawer. We got monies, candies, random plugs, oil stings, more plugs, another mini laptop, borescope, extra 12-point sockets. Shit like that. Still have the executive decision maker. Does this career suck? Definitely. Yep, it's right on. Okay, so this drawer is kits. We got a balancer puller, drill bits. These are for recall. Fuel line disconnect tools. Pulley installer for power steering pumps. More drill bits for recalls, more bits, overflow metric stuff, wrenches, sockets, spark plug sockets, extra ratchet, another balancer puller. Ow, shit. That's what I hate about these boxes, it pinches shit at you. Standard stuff. Nothing really too spectacular there. The random shit drawer, just random adapters, pilot bearing puller, flare nut tools, valve string compressor, steering wheel puller, and the parts department. All the extra nuts and bolts. Slim Jim, gotta have one of those. Random electrical shit drawer. Just a bunch of random wires and relays and shit. More electrical stuff. I got some poly fuses, extra relays, tumblers, fuses. Let's see what else we got. What is this? Who knows? Just random shit. Recall parts. Test light. You gotta have a good test light. Short circuit tester. This thing's okay. It's kind of misleading at times. Welding gloves. Center punches. These are great for exhaust manifold studs. Let's see. The cart. What do we got here? Inverted Torx. Hex. Normal Torx. Random fucking things. Random shit used for service work. Let's see, we got screwdrivers, pry bars, hose tools. These are just cheap ass half-inch sockets. There's no need to spend thousands of dollars on these. If they break, just buy another one. Half-inch wobbly, gotta have that. Hex for differential services and shit. 32 and 36 mil. 22, no, this is a 19 and a half. 22 and a half. Socket for Chrysler oil pressure cinders, spark plug socket. This is the type you want. This is what you want. These are badass. Okay, what else we got? Chromies, 3/8. Got some more adapters and shit back there. Trim tools. Half-inch wobblies from 12 to 24. You gotta absolutely have these if you want to work on cars. These are Lowe's brand Husky, 3/8 deep, 3/8 wobbly, 1/4-inch wobbly. These and these I actually got as a promotion from Matco, but Matco sucks ass for certain things, and that happens to be one of those things. So I traded these. These are all Snap-ons from 10 till 22. Oil filter adapters. Fuel filters on Dodges, stuff like that. This is my quick response interior socket kit. It's Got Torx, 1/4-inch drive stuff for the DeWalt, which I'll show you in a minute. Brake fluid sucker adapter. This goes in a different drawer. This is the purgatory for everything. Extra pieces go in here for weeks, and then they go filed in the parts department. 3/8 ratchet, 1/2-inch ratchet. Random shit drawer, generic scan tool, calipers. Gotta have a good set of calipers. Welding grinding hat, step bits, drifts, chisels, that sort of shit. Oh man, I was looking for these earlier. See, I got some brake stuff and anti-seize. This is urea grease. This is all Honda shit from when I worked at Honda. Mixed mode motors. These are great for diags, having extra ones. I'm getting into the good stuff. Wrenches. We got stubbies. We got super duper smalls. We got these adapters here. These things are fucking sweet. These go into your wrench. It becomes a little. This becomes this. Platinum ratcheters. These things are badass. You gotta have these if you want to live. Some standard stuff, metric stuff. Work on a lot of trucks. So I got flank drive. Plus 21, 22, and 24, and then I also have ratcheting versions. These are some Craftsman ratcheting end wrenches. More good shit. Extensions, crow's feet. This is fucking badass too. Little low profile, little itty thing, these work great. Serpentine belt tool, air hammer shit, picks, punches. Gotta have these if you do brakes on Hondas. Yeah, back to the pliers, you gotta have these. This is like your standard size. This is the Big Daddy version. Hammers, random pliers, hood prop, fast response electrical drawer. Also these, like a pipe wrench, they work really well for doing alignments. Gotta have a good multimeter, although I'd recommend not getting a snap-on one. Although this thing has great resolution, it's super slow. The resolution on it's just slow. Air tools. Don't reuse a lot of this stuff anymore because I got all electric stuff. Let's see. Those work good for locking lug nuts. The wheel locks you don't have the key for. Some cheap ass drill bits for interior wood plastic shit. AC, die injector, air hammer. You have to have one of these if you want to live. This thing's badass too. It's a hammerhead. It's basically an air ratchet that impacts. And more random shit. Got infrared fucking temperature gun. Power probe. You gotta have one of those if you do electrical. Otherwise, you're wasting your time. Coolant funnels, tire pressure gauge. And the mobile service cart. I used to have 3 of these, but I took one of them home and sold one of them. So I got 1/4-inch DeWalt, 3/8 DeWalt, 1/2-inch DeWalt. So this whole set costs less than the Snap-on 1/2-inch impact. This thing will take off anything you want. It's fucking ridiculous. Yeah. I mean, that pretty much sums it up for now. Oh yeah, fan. You gotta have a fan. Sorry if that does sound. You can hear it from the fan. But yeah, there we go. You gotta have a lot of this shit. Otherwise, you're just wasting your time. Bye-bye.